Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a question many of you might be asking yourselves: is Younited credit legit? In today's world, where financial options seem endless, it's natural to be cautious. You might be considering a loan for that dream vacation, a much-needed home renovation, or even to consolidate some existing debt. Younited credit pops up, promising a quick and easy solution, but is it too good to be true? Let's delve into the world of Younited credit, explore their credentials, and see if they stack up as a legitimate lender. So, who exactly is Younited credit? Founded in 2009, Younited credit positions itself as a frontrunner in Europe's instant credit market. They boast a fully digital platform and a streamlined process that promises quick loan approvals. But what sets them apart from traditional banks? Here's the key difference: Younited credit isn't your classic bank. They operate as a credit institution, which means they source funds from investors rather than taking deposits directly from customers. This allows them to potentially offer more competitive interest rates on loans. But is Younited credit trustworthy? Here's where things get interesting. Younited credit is a regulated entity. They're approved and supervised by the European Central Bank and the Bank of France. This adds a layer of legitimacy, as it ensures they adhere to strict financial regulations. Okay, they're regulated, but what about their reputation? Reviews paint a generally positive picture. Customers seem to appreciate the fast and user-friendly application process. Younited credit also emphasizes responsible lending practices, which is always a plus. However, it's important to remember that online reviews can be subjective. Here's what to consider before diving in. Interest rates and fees. Younited credit might offer a streamlined process, but that doesn't necessarily translate to the most competitive rates. Always compare their rates with other lenders before committing. Don't forget to factor in any additional fees associated with the loan. Eligibility requirements. Younited credit might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Their eligibility criteria might be stricter compared to traditional banks. Make sure you meet their requirements before applying to avoid any disappointment. Repayment terms. Be mindful of the repayment terms. Younited credit offers loans with varying durations, but make sure the repayment schedule aligns with your budget. Don't get caught in a cycle of debt. The verdict: is Younited credit legit? Based on their regulatory status and positive customer reviews, Younited credit appears to be a legitimate lender. However, it's crucial to approach any loan offer with caution. Here's the takeaway. Younited credit is a regulated financial institution, adding a layer of trust. Their streamlined process and potentially competitive rates make them an interesting option. But don't get blinded by convenience. Always compare rates, fees, and eligibility requirements before committing. Ultimately, the decision of whether Younited credit is right for you depends on your individual needs and financial situation. Do your research, compare options, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.